Alright, welcome back to the vlog. I've been waiting to do this for quite a long time. Been working on the front over fender quite a bit. Really want to get to the rear, so let's not mess around, let's just jump straight into it. Now, obviously been working on the front. That's all done, that shape is good, I'm happy with that. Now I did cheat the other day, I made a rough template of the arch and I made a template of this back section here, that shape there. As you can see, I didn't have much material left, so that's why that piece is quite short, but I've got a load more material now. So let's get that on, carve out the shape, put some foil on the car. Let's see what happens. Now obviously this is going to be slightly trickier than the front just because of the size. I'll show you why. So this section here is nice and straight. The back section actually slopes in that way, so I've got to compensate for that somehow. Obviously got to get around the tyre and then blend it into that front bit there. So put some foil on there and see what happens. Now all we're going to do is work out the spacings for the middle and the back. Now the front is going to be easy because it's just going to taper into the front. It's going to be tight to the body line. The middle is going to come out a little bit, and the back I've got to work out somehow. So yeah, should be interesting. That went better than I expected. Cool. So that's yes, that's in place. I'm pretty happy with that. A few little things to sort out, but nothing major. Hopefully the door shuts. Yep, door shuts. Now you may have seen from the other pictures that I did a look on a mock-up of a side skirt. It's going to match the lip and just flow with the rest of the kit and fill out where the door is, and so it doesn't suck in and look weird. So, as you can see that height there, so I need to mimic that height there. I am going to kick out, so I'm going to kick out that section there, like I've kicked out that section there. I think that's going to work nicely. I'm going to do the same there, on there, and then I've got to work out the top section. So, yeah, a bit more cutting, fiddling around, but I'm pretty happy so far. This can be pretty ridiculous. I love it. It's very rough, but the plan is to have a side skirt like that. As we go into here, kind of dip into the car so it's not sticking out too much. Have it continue on and flare out a little bit at the front. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Let's have a little look from over here. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy. Yeah. Okay, cool. Right. So I've got to tackle the back now, get that all fixed up. It's hard to get to this at the moment because the car's just wedged against the wall. I can't move it forward because I haven't got any space. So I've got to work out obviously a bottom section here. I might have it curving in a little bit. Not too sure yet. I'll work something out. As you saw, I've got the main piece in, got some supports in, got the back piece in, got the front all fixed in as well. Let's have a look at it. Oh my god. That looks ridiculous. I'm really happy with that, and obviously I haven't got the top on yet. Yeah, it just looks absolutely insane. It's so hard to get an idea of scale, but it flows really nicely at the bottom there. Obviously there, the top, the back's nice, that curves down there. It's a nice line there, a nice line into the arch. That kicks out the bottom there. It's going to look really cool when it's got the skirt joining the front as well. So I've got to put the top on. The actual top's going to be easier than the front, I think. I'm going to follow the same line, so you can see that line there. So we're going to start there and then just make it meet this line here, rather than it kind of going along here and then kind of diving down. We're just going to have like a nice gradual line from one point to another point there. been a little bit stressful doing the back. Some bits have been easier, some bits have been harder. It's the first time doing this, so it's pretty tricky. One section is not quite right. It can be fixed in the fiberglass stage. It's not a big deal. So here we go. Check it out. Look at that. So the section I need to fix is just this section here. It's quite difficult, that transition, so it's a little bit gappy, but I can fix that. That's not a problem. The rest is absolutely fine. So it kicks out the bottom like the front does. Back mimics the same. Back mimics the lines of the back. So what I'm going to do real quick is what am I going to do? So I'll put the side skirt on, or the section of the side skirt I made up, and just show you what it's going to look like. That little side skirt is on there. You guys kind of get the idea. It's obviously going to go from front to back. Mimics the splitter there. Obviously got to mess around with the shape a little bit, but otherwise, yeah. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. I'm happy with the top, with the shape of that. That works nicely with the swage there, transitioning into end of the swage there. I think it would look really weird if it kind of went up here and then dived down. This is the way to go. Plus it follows this here, because this doesn't dive off anywhere. That kind of just works. It's a nice continuation of that line. So yeah, looks pretty crazy. That's insane. That's just ridiculous. That looks so cool. This stuff's so much fun. Yeah, it's super easy and fun. I love it. Hope you guys like it too. Yeah, that looks so cool. So we're gonna leave it at that. So the next thing I want to do on this side, obviously, is start fiberglassing it. So we'll start off with an initial layer of the tissue to start with, after we've covered it in the tape first. And then yeah, should be good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again so much. Really do appreciate it. Very, very humbled by all the support and comments and just you guys being awesome. Thank you so much, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.